Today, we are faced with difficult times. Quarantines, face masks, and vaccinations are all trying to get us back to normal. The challenge for us at Air Care was to develop a solution to help get there. That's why we developed the Bio Air Purifier, a portable solution for purifying indoor air in a variety of situations, like in a home, church, office, hospital, retail store, theaters, and more. The purifier uses a 5-stage air cleaning process. The first 3 stages begin with the Prefilter, which contains several layers of cleaning. The first layer is a polypropylene mesh with antimicrobial and electrostatic properties. This layer uses static electricity to attract particles like hair and dander. The next layer is a melt-blown polyester fibrous material which captures additional particles flowing through the filter. The final layer in this filter is a metal mesh screen which is coated with a powerful photocatalyst compound. When activated by a UVC light source, this titanium oxide layer deactivates viruses, bacteria, and mold. It neutralizes volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, and breaks them down into harmless carbon dioxide and water vapor. Sources of VOCs can be paints, aerosol sprays, cleaners and disinfectants, and more. And it controls odors through oxidation. The photocatalyst is activated by our next stage, the UVC light chamber. UVC is a powerful disinfectant when it comes to bacteria, mold, and viruses. It's also certified as ozone-free. UVC helps destroy the outer coating of a virus, which leads to its inactivation. The final cleaning stage is a medical-grade HEPA filter. HEPA filters are effective at removing 99.97% of dust, pollen, mold, bacteria, and any airborne particles down to a size of 0.3 microns. Once filtration is complete, the now cleaned air is returned to the room. An optional 1/4-inch carbon-infused polyester filter is available should you require it in your system. The polyester pad, carbon filter, UVC lights, and HEPA filter will need periodic replacement to keep your purifier at peak performance. There are many types of purification products available today. When considering which one to purchase, one factor to look at is how effectively the purifier can work. Air exchanges per hour is the method used to determine the effectiveness of the purifier. The Bio Air Purifier has a rate of 32 exchanges per hour in an 800 cubic foot room, the size of an average bedroom. In a larger room, like a living room or office space, around 6,400 cubic feet, the purifier exchanges the air 4 times per hour. What if you have the need to purify an even larger room, like an auditorium, church, or theater? Just move 2 or more units into the room to increase the filtration effectiveness. It's that simple. It's easy to transport thanks to the 4 locking caster wheels. The Bio Air Purifier includes a bright touchscreen control panel for easy scheduling. The unit can be turned on or off as needed, or programmed for daily scheduled use. And you can adjust the airflow speed based on room size or filtration needs. The purifier includes an environmental sensor, which samples the air quality in real time. The control panel will indicate if there are issues with the air quality, and it will adjust the speed of purification to compensate. Once the air has returned to a normal level, the purifier will return to its set speed. Also included is a backup battery with an estimated lifespan of 5 years. This battery backup will allow your settings to remain when the unit is unpowered. Another reason to consider the Bio Air Purifier. Whisper quiet technology. Only 47 decibels at 5 feet. Librarians love us. Shh. The Bio Air Purifier from Air Care. The powerful, portable choice for your home, office, or any other location you want clean air.